I remember what it was like growing up as a child before we had Medicare, and how difficult it was for my parents to provide us with the health care we needed. And when we got Medicare, I realized how much it helps Canadians. And it's one reason that Canadians live longer than Americans, because we have access to universal health care, and we want to keep it. And we see the forces out there who would like to privatize it, and we know what that would mean. It would mean many Canadians not getting the care they need, and that would be terrible. So that's why I'm here today.
Friends of Medicare is a grassroots organization that is all about standing up for and expanding and strengthening public health care in Alberta.
A lot of Albertans don't know what's happening in their healthcare system until they try to access it, and they don't understand the access block and the issues around getting into care and getting access to care at all facets. Let's talk about the facts. Let's talk about what's happening, and is it going in the right direction?
You can open a new private surgical center that does hips and knees and whatever else, but you're just pulling surgeons and nurses and anesthesiologists and others out of the hospitals to work in those centers, and it makes the wait times longer for everyone by doing that. And the evidence in Alberta the last few years shows that.
You don't know what you have until it's gone. And as emerge departments are closing down, as the rural hospitals are closing down, you don't know what services they provided. You don't know that you could deliver your baby. You're 30 years old, you're working in that community, and you're driving our economy, and you can deliver your baby safely in your community. You don't know when that's gone. You don't know what it's like to show up to an emerge department and not know it's closed.
And we're making wait times for critical, urgent surgeries worse because we don't have the workforce for two system.
I believe in the power of the people, but the people only have power if they're organized. And that's why once all the research is done, once all the speechifying is finished, it's important you get people together so that they can act with a collective voice and a collective body to do something about it. Because that's the only way it's going to happen.